Hi there. Hope you have added your product and personas. Now let's move on to Reddit accounts. We know going back and forth between multiple Reddit accounts gets really overwhelming. And that's why Promoti lets you connect not just one but multiple Reddit accounts so that you can scale your outreach. As you can clearly see here, the number of accounts that it allows you to connect. Let me show you how you can connect your Reddit account. Click on Connect Account on the top right corner. Type your username, password. Now you have to be very careful when you select time zone and country. It has to be where the account was originally created. Otherwise, there are chances that Reddit might pick up on the discrepancy and it might ban the account. Now, tags let you categorize your Reddit account so that it is easy for you to differentiate. Now, connect Reddit account. Now, let's wait for a few minutes while it gets connected. So, our Reddit account is finally connected. Let me just show you what all the settings are. This is the display name. Either you can keep it the username or you can change it as well. A short bio about yourself. You can also connect a specific product and persona to your Reddit account. You have got three options. Either you can keep it only for engagement, scraping, or both engagement as well as scraping. You can assign a subreddit, save changes. So that's how you connect a Reddit account. You can also send it to warm-up by clicking enable warm-up. Try it for yourself, connect your Reddit account, and scale your outreach using Promoti. Bye bye.